How to fix the issue of high ping in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Run, click Window plus R and this tab will open. Type regedit and click on OK. Allow the permission for registry editor to open in your device. Then simply go at the top. Go to HKey local machine. After that, go to software. Once you go to software, you will see the option of Microsoft. Simply search for Microsoft and click on it. After that, once you go to Microsoft, scroll all the way down and you will see the option of Windows NT. Once you find that option, simply double click on it. In Windows NT, you will see the option of Multimedia. Simply click on it. Simply double click on the multimedia option and from there you will see the option of system profile. Click on it. Now on your right hand side you see network throttling index. Right click on it and go to modify. Then after this prompt will appear. In value data simply enter FFF for 8 times and go to OK. Now after you have made these changes, you simply need to head toward your network and sharing. So again open Run application, click Window plus R. Once the Run tab appear on your screen, simply type ncpa.cpl. Once you click on OK, it will open the network settings on your device. Now, after that if you are connected to a Ethernet, simply go to Ethernet option, or if you are using Wi-Fi, double click on your Wi-Fi's name. From this prompt, go at the bottom and go to Properties. After that, another prompt will appear. From that, now you need to choose from this list Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on it. Choose the option of use the following DNS and in preferred DNS server simply enter 1.1.1. After that in alternate DNS simply enter 1.0.0.1. These are the cloud servers. Then click on OK and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.